Alright, this is my 2006 Kawasaki ZX6R. Looks really good. I just cleaned it recently. It's got nice eBay rear sets, some frame sliders, ASV levers, steering dampener. It's got such a big undertail light that it shines in the night, so that's pretty cool. The only two things I've really had as a problem about this bike is one, these are aftermarket clip-ons, and I have I think it's a tooth down in the front sprocket. Whatever it is, it makes my vibrations really bad. I can deal with that, you just tug the tank harder. Other than that, honestly, it looks really good. The only problem I really had with it is, if you look at these, the previous owner put these really crappy Chinese bolts here. So much so that they just fall out. And there's a lot of places where there's just not even grommets. If you look here, the holes don't actually have anything behind them. There's no grommets, no nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take all the fairings off, and then, yeah, I'm just gonna take them off, see if I can resize the holes. And yeah, after I do that, there's a lot of them missing. And I'm gonna replace these crappy Chinese bolts with some actually good metal ones, because those are plastic. All right, quick update. That fairing's off. It's been a couple hours. I tried to do some stuff that I didn't really need to do. You'd notice, you'd think for like 2 hours that I'd probably have this entire side off too. No, it's completely on. But this side is not nearly as bad as that one. Most of these bolts are actually fine. I just need to switch them out and put the new ones in. But these are awful. And the main thing that I can do for that is just taking off this center panel, and that's all I really need to do. And then get these grommets into here. And I may have to cut this hole a little to make it fit the grommet, because otherwise it doesn't really work out. I'm pretty sure these are aftermarket fairings, and some of the holes on them are not the correct size, and it's just screwing me over, because but yeah, it's going not bad. I've had a better time than what I'm having right now. But yeah, it should be okay. I don't need to take these fairings off or anything. All right, so quick update really quick. It's way past when it needs to be. I could have done this way sooner, but we fixed the problem with the bolts underneath by using an electric power drill thing. Yeah, I'm stupid. Drilled holes into the side fairings to fit grommets, and I'm about to put those back on. There were some grommets here that were not de-threaded, but just like torn to shit, so replace those. It'll be my first time reconnecting stuff on this bike, so not sure how it's gonna go, but I guess we'll find out. All right, we finally did it. So the entire right side of the bike is on. It is completely done. Excuse the lack of motivation in my voice. I'm dead inside, completely secure, all set. There's that, and then you get the vice versa of that. All right, and it is all done. It is all the bolts are in place. Nothing is moving anymore. There's nothing missing anymore. There's all the bolts down there are done. I had like at least probably, I don't know, 30 bolts missing across the span of this bike. A lot of them were really easy to see, but made this bike feel like kind of a shitbox, so. Yeah, I mean, thanks for watching. I didn't take off as many fairings as I thought I would. Didn't take a short amount of time, but wasn't a long time. I mean, it's probably about 5 hours, but a lot of broken rubber grommets and a lot of broken bolts. A lot of tears. It worked out, it looks good, so thanks for watching.